What's happening, guys? How's it going? It's Neil here, Neil Maidment, Ask Neil M, and healthinfluence.com. Just wanted to go live. Just sat here at my little home office here in the North Island of New Zealand. And something we've been talking about with the team and with a few people recently was on the fact that so many people are getting frustrated with seeing all of the money online. Everybody's saying you can do this, you can earn this amount of money, you can earn $10,000 a week, you can do. It's really frustrating for me to see, because there's so many people who are going out of their way to become a millionaire, become whatever, just have thousands and thousands and thousands per week, but it's not necessarily what they need. It's not what they actually want deep down in here. So we've been speaking recently in the team and really getting to focus on what we call and what's known out there as the freedom number. Now, I've been through this several times now, and it's really interesting to figure out what each individual freedom number is. I'm not worried about becoming a millionaire. I do like money, I like good things, but it's not required for me to live. My freedom number is really the state of which I can have rent paid, car paid, food paid, everything that I need in my life, and everybody's going to be different. What I need and require in my life to be happy, that's the key, to be happy, and have that freedom number there as that's your key. It might be that you only require $80,000 per year. It might be 40. It might be that you require $600 a week to live, to be happy, to pay everything, to be completely in your zone and be happy where you need to be. And I think it's really key to start writing this down. I've done it many, many times, and I go through it from time to time when budgets change and when things happen, when we need to add things into our life or take it away. Insurances, they go up and down, that type of thing. So a list of things like rent, car payments, and I mean things that you need to pay for the car, like new tires, maybe servicing. What do you need? What do you want and need to spend on food per week? How much do you pay for your clothes? How much is your budget for everything that you do? How much is your electricity bill per month? How much is your mobile phone bill per month? Write exactly down what you need to spend per week to survive, to get through, to do what you need to do to be happy in the life that you have. And then you're able to add up completely what you need, and that's your freedom number. So when you're running your business, when you're going for your goals, you don't necessarily need to go for, I need to be at $1 million per year. I don't need to be at 10,000 per week, or whatever the stories you might have heard, or people are going crazy trying to get you to become a millionaire. If it's $500 a week that you need, drive towards that goal, because then anything past that is going to make you extremely happy. If paying everything off per week and you've got that covered with your business, if you've got everything covered, then anything after that is playtime for you, if that's what you want, or vacation time, or whatever it may be, taking more time off to see the kids, whatever that may be. But the freedom number for us is really, really key. So get that solid in your head to pay off your mobile phone, to get your new phone that you need, to pay off your car, whatever it may be, to pay off your debts. If you're paying £20 per month or $20 per month or per week off to pay off a bed that you bought, or your car payments, doesn't matter. If you can be happy with your freedom number, you don't necessarily need to go for $10,000 per week. But if it's $500 a week, drive towards that goal, because that's the one that's going to get you happy. So we've been talking about this a lot in our team recently and with our clients, to really get focused on what your freedom number is. If you've got any questions, you need to chat about it, head me up at healthinfluence.com. You can check this out on anchor.fm/Neil Maidment, or type in Neil Maidment or Ask Neil M into iTunes or Google music, and you'll be able to hear this on podcast as well. So share this. It's really important for people to get clear on the freedom number. Very, very key. So head me up if you've got any questions or confused, or you need some ideas as to how to do it. So speak to you all very, very soon. I trust everyone is well out there. Go hard on business for the rest of the week. A couple of days to go. It's Wednesday here in New Zealand. So go hard for the rest of the week. Trust everyone's well.